How you doing, guys? We are in another place in Santo Domingo. This place called Terraza Food Truck. Carne en brasa. Behind me, I have. They are four or three. Yeah. Four Chinese spots. We call it right here, Caja China. They actually cook the pig for 10 hours straight. That's really hot outside. You gotta be here to understand what I'm talking about. But today, I'm gonna order something that I saw on Instagram. They actually they have a sandwich. Chicharrón sandwich. They cut the chicharrón in slice, really tiny. They put it in a sandwich with so many sausage. And I'm telling you guys, this is different. And hopefully you're gonna enjoy it with me right now. And you gotta come here. This is La Rómulo Betancourt right here. This is different. We outside. Para el calor. El sándwich, profesor, ¿cómo es este?
Sándwich de chicharrón,
Sándwich de chicharrón,
carne y brasa.
carne y brasa. And listen to me. Right now, he's gonna cut it. Dele, maestro. To understand the flavors, you have to be here and you have to taste it. And right now, I'm gonna try it. Okay? Let's get ready with me. Prepárame por lo menos 300 de eso para regalarlo en el país entero.
Vamos a darle a esto.
I have no words to explain all the flavors. If you ever heard about chicharrón, you have to understand this is different. You have to come here and you have to taste this. This is important to be here. Chicharrón and a sandwich. We out, you know what I talk about. We in Santo Domingo. I told you, you have to come here. Terraza Food Truck in La Rómulo here in Santo Domingo. Dominican Republic have everything for you. You have to come and enjoy. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and bye-bye.